afternoon. Thank you for calling Bevashi Restaurant. This is Charmaine. How may I help you today?
Good afternoon. I would like to make a reservation.
May I have your name and contact number, please?
My name is Bianca and my contact number is 0909
Thank you, Miss Bianca. When would you like to book your table?
I would like to book my table at June 15 on 8 p.m.
Please give me a moment to check for available tables at that date and time. Upon checking, we do have unavailable tables for that time slot. May I ask how many guests will be joining you?
Table for 4, please.
Alright, do you have any seating preference? Would you prefer the smoking or non-smoking area?
I would love to be seated in a non-smoking area, please.
Would you like to make any special requests for your table? For example, birthday setup, dietary concerns, or high chairs for kids?
No, thank you. I don't have any special request to make.
Alright, let me confirm your reservation. A table for four in the non-smoking area on Thursday, June 15 at 8 p.m. under the name Miss Bianca, and your contact number is 0909-123-4567. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Thank you very much for calling Miss Bianca. We look forward to serving you. Have a great day ahead.